Apply toothpaste to your fridge gasket. Mold and grime will disappear before you even finish your coffee. No scrubbing pads or stiff brushes needed. The method I'm about to show you is incredibly effective. Grab a small bowl and pour in a quarter cup of regular water. Warm water works great. Next, take some toothpaste. Its gentle abrasives and antibacterial properties help lift dirt effectively. Add a small amount of toothpaste to the bowl. Mix well until the paste dissolves. Now add some dish soap. It cuts through grease and helps break down stubborn grime. Add 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is baking soda. It has cleaning, whitening, and disinfecting properties. 1 tablespoon is enough to create a powerful mixture. Stir thoroughly until everything is well combined and dissolved. Pour the finished solution into a spray bottle. Spray the fridge door gasket generously. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then wipe it clean with a soft cloth. The result? A clean, fresh, whiter gasket with no mold or grime. One simple mix and your fridge will look like new.